Hello everyone, I'm Glasswood of Japan Hana Real Estate. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to the heart of Tokyo, Shibuya area. So today we are here in the 5 minutes walk from Yoyogi-Uehara Station, and we have an 8-bedroom with total 7,500 square feet with 700 square meter of the size of the area sit on the 400 square meter land. We're going to show you inside how impressive the interior and the design. Come with me. Here we are in the entrance of the residence. We have a small little European style garden. Welcome to your dream home in Tokyo. So as you see, the whole residence, the design will have the marble flooring, and we also have your private elevator inside. So first, please come to see the living and dining area. So here we're in the living room area. So the living room area and the dining room area in total is over 110 square meters. And as you see, all the furniture is newly furnished as well from the designer in Japan. And whatever you see inside the room, everything is come with the price as well together. So means after you buy the house, you can just move in with your bed. So now we are here in the dining room area. So this amazing stone table can maximum seat 10 guests. But as you see, we have a 8 guest chair. Of course, we can also add 2 more seats. It's a very spacious, it's an amazing area to organize a party, to entertain your family or friends in Japan. So this living room and the dining room area is perfect for those you can entertain your friends and family in Japan or even from overseas. It's perfect to organize a party, a nice dinner, and a gathering. So now we're going to introduce this really spacious Hiroo kitchen. So we have this island kitchen, and of course all the things are furnished together. So we have a very spacious, the fridge, come with the fridge, and we have the oven. Anyone, if you like baking, it's perfect. And of course, the dishwasher as well. So this very spacious kitchen is perfectly to host an event, or anyone like to cooking is a perfect area for the cooking as well. Now we're going to show you this Japanese tatami room. So in Japan, most of the time, we will have the Japanese room like this to do some gathering and entertainment, especially in the winter. Japanese love to gathering in the table. This is a Japanese heated table we call kotatsu. And that is very warm. And especially year-end and New Year, we're sitting here and gathering all the guests and talking and gathering and enjoying the environment with this little Japanese garden. So now we're going to show you the most amazing, the basement area. Follow me. So now we're here in this basement entertainment area. So this entertainment area has a nearly 117 square meters. And what we have, as you see behind me, this is your own theater room. So after the theater room, we also, in this basement, we have this amazing bar lounge area. Look at this kitchen. And the owner built this just because he can invite the professional chef to here to cook for them. So he often to have a big party. So at the oven, dishwasher of course. And we have the wine cellar. So this is perfect for those who the wine lover to keep. I think that's quite rare in Japan. You can see there's really big wine cellar. And you also have this bar lounge area, the sofa, and the perfect to enjoy a glass of wine. Last but not least, in this entertainment area, we have a secret room. And what is that? This is the perfect to entertain for your guests. Now we're in the second floor. So in this second floor, we have the storage room, we have the toilet, and we have a very spacious master bedroom. So this master bedroom, as you see, is very spacious. It's come with all the closet and the area for you to put this area for the TV. But of course, if you would like to renovate, to change the design, and also that's possible as well. But the most important is it's really spacious. You can put a king-size bed here, and we still want to show you, of course, we have the closet, but we have another room. So here, there's another room for the dressing room. So the owner's wife, she have the dresser here. And of course, we have the room especially for all the clothes and closets. And look at this. It's smooth. So the owner has a lot of clothes, so she need all this. Same with the laundry. They also have this very professional, but lots of space. But of course, this you can also move out if you want to. But there will be, but also it's good for the space. We also have for any kimono lover, this is special wood, especially for kimono storage. And in this level 2, the second floor, we also have the double sink in the bathroom. And of course, the storage is all hinoki wood. And we have this very spacious hinoki bathtub. So now we're here in the top floor, the third floor. So the 3-bedroom, it was originally for the owner's kids. Study table and the closet. second bedroom a little bit different than before because this is for the owner's daughter, so the color is more bright. Study table, right in here. And then the last one, here's a bigger. It was for the owner's elder son, so it's much bigger. TV, cabinet, and for the closet, and there's a little structure and a walk-in closet. So this three bedroom is all connected to this balcony. They have their own balcony here. Now we're going to show you the rooftop area. Look at this for a barbecue like today, where autumn here is very cool, nice weather. We also have a home elevator. Maximum can fit 3 people. So now we're back to the second floor. And we have one last room to introduce you, which is another guest room. So this room was specially made for a grandma who lives here. So that's why they also have a small mini kitchen here. Actually, it's like a small flat. It totally is perfect for the guests. You may have a guest, maybe stay longer. And since we have the water, you can also build another shower room. Then it will become like total separate unit from the house. You have the walk-in closet. You can build like for the storage. Here where you can put for the storage. This room is connected with the second floor with the master bedroom. It's a more different kind of a use you can do. Balcony terrace here as well. A little garden here, a private little garden. So this garage, we have a built-in garage, and we also have an outdoor 2 car parking spaces. So this is a perfect space. They have a little perfect room for the dog. Of course, especially in Japan, there's not much space for the dog, and perfect for the big size dog as well. This isn't just a house. This is way of life. With all the furnished and every details have been perfect. Your next chapter of Tokyo luxury begins here. Thank you for watching our video today. If you like the video, please subscribe us. So this is Glass of Japan Hana Real Estate. Thank you very much.